Let me ask you a serious question. Have you ever looked at a clove and thought, yeah, this tiny thing is about to change my life? No, fair enough. Because most people only see cloves once a year, stuck in a holiday ham, floating awkwardly in mulled wine, or hiding inside a spice cabinet from 2009. But today, we're giving cloves the respect they deserve. Because clove water, yes, clove water, has quietly become one of the most talked about wellness drinks on the internet. And with that popularity comes confusion. Hot or cold? Morning or night? Soaked or boiled? One clove or 10? Empty stomach or after meals? Some people swear it gives them energy. Others say it helps them relax. Some drink it like tea. Others sip it like holy water. So today we're clearing everything up. This is the ultimate clove water guide, hot versus cold, morning versus night, and how to use it without turning your digestive system into a protest march. Grab a glass of water, preferably without cloves for now, and let's begin. Before we talk temperature or timing, we need to understand why cloves are even a thing. Cloves aren't new. They're ancient. People have used them for centuries, for cooking, preservation, oral care, and traditional wellness practices. Why? Because cloves are concentrated. One tiny clove contains powerful natural compounds, especially eugenol, which is what gives cloves their strong aroma and intensity. That intensity is the key word here. Cloves aren't gentle like mint. They're not mild like chamomile. Cloves are bold, confident, a little dramatic, which means how you prepare them matters, when you drink them matters, and how much absolutely matters. Think of clove water like a volume knob. Too low, you get nothing. Too high, your body files a complaint. So let's talk about how to get it just right. This is where most people get stuck. Hot clove water, cold clove water. Which one is better? The short answer, neither is better. They do different things. Hot clove water is usually made by gently boiling cloves in water or pouring hot water over them and steeping like tea. Heat extracts compounds faster and stronger. That means hot clove water is more intense, more aromatic, more noticeable in taste and effect. People often describe it as warming, stimulating, comforting. It's the version that says, "Good morning, let's get things moving." Cold clove water is made by soaking cloves in room temperature or cool water. Usually overnight, cold water extracts compounds slowly and gently. This version is milder, smoother, easier on sensitive systems. Think of it as hot clove water equals espresso. Cold clove water equals cold brew. Same bean, different vibe. Now let's talk about when to drink clove water, because timing can change how your body responds. Many people choose clove water in the morning because the body is transitioning from rest to activity, digestion is waking up, the nervous system is shifting gears. Cold-soaked clove water in the morning is the most popular choice. Why? Because it's gentle hydrating, less shocking to an empty stomach. Morning clove water is often used as a calm start to the day, a replacement for sugary drinks, a ritual, not a rush. Important note, morning clove water should be mild. This is not the time for boiling 10 cloves, drinking it like a shot. More is better logic. Your stomach just woke up. Nighttime is where people get this very wrong. Some assume clove water is natural, so it must be relaxing. Not exactly. Hot clove water at night can feel warming, heavy, stimulating for some people. That's great if you've eaten a large meal, you feel sluggish, you want comfort, but it's not ideal if you're sensitive. You already feel warm, you struggle with sleep. For nighttime, the safest option is warm, not hot, mild clove water, or skip it entirely. Cloves don't whisper. They speak clearly. At night, your body wants calm conversations, not debates. Let's break this into simple combinations. Too intense for many people. Can feel harsh on an empty stomach. Better for occasional use, not daily. Most balance, gentle extraction, ideal for beginners. Can feel overstimulating, not sleep-friendly, often misunderstood, occasional use, small quantity, earlier in the evening, not right before bed. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Clove water is about balance, not intensity. Let's finally talk about how to make it. Cold option. This is the safest, most beginner-friendly option. You'll need 2 whole cloves, 1 glass of water. Steps: add cloves to water, cover, let sit 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Remove cloves before drinking. That's it. No boiling. No stress. No clove soup. Hot option. You'll need 2 to 3 cloves, 1 cup water. Steps: bring water to a gentle boil. Add cloves. Simmer 5 to 7 minutes. Strain. Let cool slightly before drinking. Never drink it piping hot. This is not a challenge video. Let's clear this up. More cloves does not equal more benefits. Cloves are powerful. Most people only need 1 glass per day, 2 to 3 cloves max. Using more can lead to stomach irritation, nausea, feeling off. If you feel burning, discomfort, unease, that's your body saying, hey, I liked it better when we were friends. Listen, clove water isn't for everyone. Be cautious if you have a sensitive stomach, are pregnant, take medications that affect blood clotting, feel unwell after spicy foods. When in doubt, use fewer cloves, use cold soak, or skip it. Wellness should feel supportive, not stressful. Let's bust a few myths real quick. Clove water works instantly. No, this is not magic potion behavior. You should drink it all day. Absolutely not. It detoxes everything. Your liver would like a word. Clove water is a supportive ritual, not a miracle. Here's the simple answer most people need. Cold-soaked clove water, 2 cloves, morning, 1 glass. Not every single day forever. That's it. Simple beats extreme. Consistency beats intensity. So the next time you see cloves, don't panic, don't overdo it, and please don't boil half the jar. Use them wisely. If this video helped clear up the confusion, hit like, subscribe for more calm, science-based wellness guides, and comment below. Do you prefer hot or cold clove water, and why? Your spice cabinet has been waiting for this moment. See you in the next video.